Compound nouns. Compound nouns are words for people, animals, places, things, or ideas made up of two or more words. A compound word series of two or more words that collectively called a single word. The first word describes or modifies the second word, giving us insight into what kind of thing is an item or providing us with clues about the item's purpose. Toothpaste. Here tooth as the first word describes or modifies the second word paste. The second word usually identifies the item. Compound nouns are sometimes like one word, haircut or bedroom. Forming compound nouns. Bus plus stop, bus stop. Foot plus ball, football. Air plus port, airport. Sun plus rise, sunrise. Under plus line, underline. Black plus board, blackboard. Ice plus cream, ice cream.